Hi guys, Hamza here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create footers with Elementor page builder from scratch. Let's dive straight in. So when you are logged into your WordPress backend, you will navigate straight to Elementor, which is on the menu inside your dashboard, and head straight to Add New. After selecting Add New, you'll head straight to a kind of pop-up that comes up, pop-up window, where you will be asked to choose a template type you want to create. And in this case, we'll select a footer. And we will name it Demo Footer. And say Create Template. On selecting Create Template, since we are going to create our footer right from scratch, we will not use the already made or the presets that have been loaded here. We will head straight to the black canvas so that we can start creating our footer from scratch. So we will close this window. And here we are. Now what we need to do is very simple. We are already having our, canvas. We are already having our work area where we are going to create our sections with Elementor. Now we will just say add new section, and then we select which kind of structure we want. In this case, we are going to have a 3-column footer, and maybe there we will see if we have something new to add on. We can create a footer of this type whereby we have a few of social media handles here, copyright info, a footer menu, and also a call to action. So we head back to our template and we will start by creating a call to action. That is probably a button that we'll add, and we will say join our newsletter. And then here we can add, in the second column, we can add a menu. In this menu, we will select the footer menu, which will bring up the already selected pages that have been allocated to the footer menu. We are going to do a little bit of adjustment by just dragging this section so that we have a wider space also for this column. And at the same time, we are going to do a little bit of styling, the underlinings, probably the hover reactions, and changing the color and probably the font size. So let's head straight and fix that. Say on the hover, let text remain gray, and same time pointer, no, we don't need a pointer, so I've made it 0. And the padding, we need more padding. Do we need more? Yeah, I think we can just increase a little bit of padding, and we can reduce the size of our font. But first we are going to select the font face, which is Montserrat, which I prefer in most cases, and we'll reduce it a bit to about 12 or something like that. This looks pretty fine. We can change our background type to a little bit of dark, something like that. In the other column, we can add something. I think we can bring back our social media icons and at the same time the copyright. So since those are 2 sections, that means we are going to duplicate this section, and then we can add our social handles, social icons, and then we will select which social icons we want. So we will basically need only Twitter and Facebook. So let's head straight to our style so that we customize them to exactly what we want them to look like, and then we can do a little bit of padding, look a little bit neat. Same time we also do a little bit of spacing. I think this is okay. So we can align them to middle. The same time for our call to action, we align to middle. And now we head to the copyright info. Here we just need to carry our text editor, and we will add our it and copyright 2019. So we will also have to align this to the middle where we want it to appear, and a little bit do something to do with the padding, and also the padding for the social icons. See how far we have gone. Let's do a little bit of customization on our call to action. The text color will leave it to white, and background color we can change to magenta, or the color that we have on our blog, something like this, something like that. And at the same time, I think we also need to change the font first that is in the logo to Montezera. Yeah, super. So this is at the moment our footer. So let's just do a little bit of padding so that we have everything right within the section, the whole section, so that it doesn't look like some things are falling out. So we can make it like 1,000 in total. Okay, super. This looks fine. So guys, we have our footer here, though it looks like it is way below the area, the viewable area on the page, so we can move it a bit up. Margin of 20. Cool. Yeah, actually the bottom margin works best. So we will do, I think 10. 10 works best. 10 works best. So this is how our footer is, this is how our header is looking like, and this is how our footer looks like. So you can do a little bit of more other, changes here and there to have what you want reflected. Upon finishing creating your footer, you can now, save it as a draft, or you can also, create the display option so that you can select whether you want it to appear on the entire site or on specific pages. So we can say entire site, and then we can save and close. It will be displayed on the entire site on different pages. So guys, that's how you can create footers with Elementor Page Builder from scratch. I hope this video brings you value. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell so that you can always receive a notification when I put out new content. Have a good time, guys.